Hi everybody and welcome. Today I have Panasonic TX-750 TV and I'm going to show you how can you easily rename your TV. At first you have to go to your settings on your TV by going up and go to the right. Here is settings. Now you have to click on device preferences and then you have to click on about. Here is device name. You have to click on this and now you can click change. You can change from Panasonic TV to Android TV, living room TV, family room TV, bedroom TV or custom name. Here we can enter our custom name. And if you're done, we can just go next. And that's it. Hope it helps you. Goodbye.